Hi, welcome to the PrismERP technical demonstration. Today we are going to learn about movement register in PrismERP. So movement register is used to record and track employees' official movements outside the workplace during working hours. It helps organization keeps a record of where employees are going, why they are visiting, and how long they remain outside the office. Before creating a movement register application, we need to configure the mode of travel and movement register purpose. Navigate to the human capital menu, then to movement register and to mode of travels. This is the mode of travel list. We can add more mode of travels by clicking on the plus icon here. Since we already have multiple mode of travels, we are not going to add any. By clicking on this edit option, you can edit it and you can also delete it if it is no longer required. Next, we are going to add a purpose for the movement register. Again, navigate to the human capital menu to movement register to add movement register purpose. Click on the plus icon, then enter the reason here. For the reason type, from the drop down menu, select the reason type, whether it is for movement register or for attendance. We can also remove the purposes if it is no longer required by clicking on the plus icon here. Now click save. We have added a new purpose. Now it's time to create a movement register application. Click on the movement register application. First, select the branch under which this application is being added to. Select the employee. After we selected the employee department has automatically appeared. Then set the app date, set the from date and to date. The system will auto calculate the total number of days. Select the mode of travel, select the purpose of visit, set the start time and end time. The cycle is 24 hours. Select the reason. If the employee has not yet returned, then mark this box. After every information has been entered, submit it. We have successfully created a new movement register application. This is the application list. From the search panel, we can find out and filter a specific one. If we set this to backdate, we can view all the previous applications. This is the application that we just created. Right now it is in pending state, which means it is waiting for recommendation and approval. After the management review it, someone can recommend it, and then after the proper approval, its status can be changed to approved. The application can also be rejected or cancelled depending on the approval process. If you click on the application number, it would open the details view. From here we can review the application. We can also recommend and approve it from here. So let's recommend it. After approval, we can also add the employees check-in and check-out time to maintain the movement record. This is the check-in and this is the checkout option. We have added a movement register application for a single employee, but we can also add a batch movement register application. From the movement register menu, navigate to the batch movement register application option. From the drop down menu, select the branch, the department, and then by clicking on the plus icon here, we can enter this information like employees. We can select the application date, from date, to date. We can also enter place. We can enter the start time, purpose of visit, charging code. If conveyance bill is required, then we can enter the amount. We can select the mode of travel and end time, and by adding multiple employees at once, we can make one single register application which will contain all employees information. The management can then review and approve it. So that's it for movement register today. Thanks for watching. Bye.